Rainbow Diesel.
End of the rainbow. Whoa! Look at the colors.
Here you go, Zane. Go for it.
Here come down the slide.
Whoa, that was a fun slide. And he landed it.
Hello.
Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put Thomas and friends on this fun, cool slide, and it's gonna go right into the water, to the boom. Who do we have first, Zane?
It's Connor.
We've got Kana.
The long way. No problem. Hi, where you been?
That's how Kana does. So she gets on that little purple stair. Zane lifts her up and she climbs right in. Whoa, with the whole piece. Who do we have next, Zane?
It's Sandy the Rail Speeder.
Sandy the Railer.
Almost there. There. Hey, Sandy. Look. Sandy? Oh, hey, Carly. How are you?
Alright, let's see if she can slide down. She slides right down, right into the water. That was a cool
She
slide.
almost landed.
And she almost landed. Who do we have next?
Carly.
We've got Carly the Crane.
Have no fear. Sandy and Carly are here. Electric. Oh, it takes the fastest hook and soda to slow down the fastest engine. Thanks, Carly.
Check out our crane.
A wasp.
Whoa,
Let me look back in.
cool.
Now look. Spins and it comes off perfectly.
Whoa.
Yep.
Alright, let's see how Carly does, Zane. Yep, she does awesome. And she landed it. Look at that.
Yeah. The other side.
That's cool. Who do we have next?
It's Rainbow Thomas.
Rainbow Thomas. Check out the rainbows on Thomas.
It's just ahead now. We cannot wait to see the end of the rainbow. Whatever will there be? The end of the rainbow. Whoa! Look at the colors.
And look at those colorful wheels.
Oh yeah. He's on. Slides right down and right into the waters.
You just fly off like this.
That was pretty cool. Who do we have next?
It's Emily.
We've got Emily.
That tie looks good. That tie looks good. Oh. I must tell Sandy and Carly that this one...
Emily!
Percy and Kana, what's going on?
We need more signs telling everyone to be careful. A lot more signs. And big ones. We need rules and warnings and lights.
Let's see how Emily does. Gets on. And boom!
Landed!
That was awesome.
We made that.
What do we have next?
John Bell.
We've got Young Bao.
Young Bell.
Cool. Nice. With the bubbles. Who's next?
James.
James.
Must be my incredibly vivid imagination again. Oh, of course, it's just a dragon. A dragon? Run away! Ah!
Let's see James go down the fun slide. Oh yeah.
Landed!
Pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
Who do we have next?
It's Muddy Percy.
Muddy Percy.
He'll never find me here.
Surprise!
Billy, he's all dirty.
Mm-hmm.
Percy's all
Percy's all dirty. Here we go, Percy. Splash! such a fun slide. This slide is so much fun.
It's Hero.
We've got a hero.
We'll see you at the finish line, Hero. If not sooner. Oh, my guess is sooner.
So cool. Here we go, Zane. There he goes. Splash.
Diesel.
Diesel.
What's your name, little guy?
Mama.
Okay, I'll call you Wilson. Hello, Wilson. I'm Diesel. Now we're buddies. Next stop, Random Dogs to find your...
Mama.
Not your mama.
Here goes Diesel. Whoa. Okay, cool. Right into the water. Who's next?
It's Rainbow Diesel.
Rainbow Diesel.
End of the rainbow. Whoa. Look at the colors.
Here you go, Zane. Go for it.
Here comes down the slide.
Whoa, that was a fun slide. And he landed it. Who's next?
It's Dirty Thomas.
We've got Dirty Thomas.
Easy, Wheels. Easy. Whoa. I sure am feeling unlucky without Percy's bell with me.
This one needs a really wash.
Oh yeah, he definitely needs to go in the water.
Yeah.
There he goes. Cool. Who's next?
It's Bruno.
We've got Bruno.
Detective Bruno, will you help me find out what made Connor leave? Oh yes, of course, Inspector Diesel. Detective Bruno at your service. I can help you figure it out.
Come on, Bruno. Let's see if you can land it. Whoa, Bruno was fast. That was cool.
Gordon.
We've got Gordon.
Who wants to sing Old McCall Had a Farm on the way home? Me! I do!
Well, I suppose I could join in. Old McCall had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Come on, Gordon. Let's check him out. Oh, yeah. Cool. Landed it.
Percy.
We've got Percy.
Somewhere Percy will never find me. Sorry, but it's hide and surprise, remember? I love this game. Percy will never find me in here. Surprise!
Come on, Percy. Go for it down the fun slide. Whee! Whoa! And Percy almost landed.
Dirty Thomas.
Dirty Thomas.
Bye, Thomas. Sorry. Wait. Woohoo! Told you mud was awesome. It does feel kind of good on my gears. Oh, that's why he kept jumping in the...
Here we go. He's all muddy. Here we go. Muddy Thomas is going to go down the slide and boom! Right into the awesome fun pool water. Who's next?
Kenji.
We've got our buddy Kenji.
Kenji!
Connor, it's great to see you.
You too. Thank you so much.
He's awesome. Let's check out Kenji. He's going to go flying down the slide. Splash. Who's next?
It's Thomas.
We've got Thomas.
Thomas! Catch! Thanks, guys. Next up, whips. Time for a track attack. Go, Thomas!
Hi guys, if you're loving the video so far, please like and subscribe for more awesome Zane with Thomas and Friend videos. Splash! So cool. And who's next, Zane?
It's Thomas.
We've got another Thomas. This is such a cool shiny Thomas. Check out that Thomas. Choo choo. Here he goes.
He's so shiny.
Whoa!
He landed on top of Percy.
He landed on top of Percy.
Cool.